Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 3120. It's a count the number of special character one. Okay, what the question saying that? The question saying that we have given a string word. As you can see, we have given the input word, right? And a letter is called special if it's appear. So if the string we have given, right, and the string contains a character set that is called string, right? And so it's a word. So it is saying a letter is called special if it's appear both in the lowercase and the uppercase, right? As you can see here, right? So a letter is called special if it appears both in the combination of lower and uppercase in the word. You have to return the number of special letters in the word. Okay, so any letter is A, B, C, D, like that. If A contains in bigger and means upper and smaller like this, and like this, not a B, B, like this, okay, and C and C is if the upper and lower case both available in here, so we can say that this is a having a special letter. So as you can see in this combination, I can see these are the letters we can see here in the output, right? And that is why the special character word are A, B and C. Each contains both combinations, the lowercase and the uppercase, as you can understand, right? And you can see here. So this is what we have to do. Means it's very easy problem. So I don't think that you have not understood, but still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, guys. Okay, so the very first what we will do, let's suppose we have given the word, right? So simply you can do, let's suppose you can many ways we have, right? Basically we should check that we have A, right? And is this A contains another A which is in the capital, or vice versa. We can also say if A is already here, right, there should be a like this. So how we'll understand that the if lowercase I found, we should understand that next we have to find the uppercase, or if we are getting the first in the uppercase, then we have to find the lowercase, vice versa we can say like that. If we will find, so we will just will say that okay, increase the count become 1. Next time it will come and there will be a small b, then we will find the capital B, right? Means the lowercase and uppercase. If the if the uppercase is there, then we will find the lowercase. If this is the condition, we'll increase the count again, right? Similarly, so now the count will become 2, from 1 to 2. Similarly, we'll check for other character. Let's suppose C in the capital C, and if it is capital, we'll see the smaller one like this. So this time the count becomes 3, as we have seen there, correct guys? And this is why we have only these characters A, B, C. If more character will be there, then we'll keep going ahead like this, and we'll return the finally the our answer. What is the count, current count, right? The last count, final count, and that will become our answer. Okay, so think here, just pause this video here and try by yourself. How will you do that? How will you compare this A to the smaller a to the bigger A, right? In the lowercase a to the uppercase A. Then if this is uppercase A, how will you find the smaller case, and so on, right? And how will you increment the count if it exists? So try this in the given problem, and if you are not able to do, then resume the video and try to solve that. Okay, so first give your own try and then continue. Hello everyone, welcome back. So how will you check that these characters, like if there is a small letter and the big letter also available there, right? Means the lowercase and uppercase both characters available in the word, right? So let's suppose that we have a a, right? Then we have b, c, and b, c, like this we have, right? So if we can keep one left here and one right here, right? So the very first thing that we will check this character and this character, the character will not match. So we'll keep the right will keep going to right and the left will keep going to the right side, right? Means opposite direction, you know, the opposite direction. So we'll take two left and right pointers, you can say, like a two pointers, right? And then we have a special count. So whenever you will find that okay, we have the special count, right, means we will increase that. Okay, we'll take one more thing is visited boolean array of 26 character, right? Means we have to also track that we have also check that a is already counted. So if a is coming again, right, we will not traverse this again because we have already checked with this a. Okay, similarly we'll keep going ahead and we'll check all the characters, right? So we know that we have the at left, right? So we'll keep the left at here and the right will keep moving ahead, keep going ahead, right? So he will find that okay, there is a already here, so it will match and it will return as a 1. Okay, this is what we will do. Only we have to take is the visited for the dupe check. Till now fine. So we know that we have to take while left is less than right, because in the two pointers we used to do, right? It's a kind of two pointer that we have used. Then we will use a current character word dot char at left, means what is the character at the left at this here. So that we'll take in here, and then we'll check for this character. We will check two times. The very first time is check it is lowercase and check is it is uppercase. The very first will check if it is lower and if it is uppercase. In both case we have to check at the corresponding value, right? Let's suppose we found. So if you want like to optimize the code, right, let's suppose you can do better also. Let's suppose for this case we can create the lower and uppercase two array and we'll go for the one scan for each character, right? Let's suppose we'll convert into two char array so that we can check each character like this. So very first at line number 9 you can see that if the character is lowercase, right, we'll mark this as a true that we have visited this one, or else we'll check the uppercase, right, if it will mark like this. Okay, so we'll go for the another loop, right? Let's suppose for each character we'll check that if this is already available in the lower and uppercase, means these two as a kind of visited cells we have used for the lowercase and uppercase. So we'll check in that and we'll check it is also available in the lowercase and it is also available in the uppercase. Then we'll just increase the count, as you can see here, count plus